Alright. Let me put the butter on already. How do I Am I doing this okay? Oh, it's heating up quick. Oh, it's heating up quick. What? Hold up. Give me a second. I'm trying. Okay, this is fine. I gotta start working. I gotta start doing my work. It's burning. The butter's burning. Everybody. Okay. How do I start? Like that. Purple. Oh, it is. It's like. Okay. Uh-oh. Let me think about this. Fuck. Like this? Am I doing this right? Guys, am I doing this right? Put the pan on lower heat. Oh shoot. Regular. I'm just filling in this hole right now. That's supposed to be the eyes. What is this? It's supposed to be you guys. It's supposed to be you. What do you mean? What is that? Don't be rude. Oh no, it's like bloating. Like the eye's bloating. Oh! You hear that? Y'all heard that? Wait, it's not coming out. Okay, come on. Squeeze. Come on. Wait, it's not coming out. Why is it not coming out? Come out. What? Uh-oh. Is this stopped up? Holy shit. It might have a clump. Yeah. Give me a second. Maybe if I just pour it. Maybe if I just pour it out like this. Oh. Okay. Right? Oh no, I just got batter on my arm. Wow, this is messy. Okay. Yeah, it clumped at the top. That's what I'm getting at right now. Don't worry, it's okay. Wow, look at that. I did a great job. Oh no, the outline came off. Guys, the outline came off. Did I just let it cook? It burned? Did it burn? Oh no. Oh shit. Okay. We can fix it. Just do a little bit of surgery. There. I think we just gotta let it sit for a bit. Okay. It's not ready. Yeah. Let me look. I'm gonna bring it up to 300. Yeah. Let's bring it up to 300. Stop it. What do you mean stop? I'm trying, guys. I'm doing my best right now. It's rough, okay? This shit's rough. Ugh. Oh no. It's not. It's you guys. What do you mean? It's you. This is my first time, man. Don't be mean. Come on. Don't be mean. Don't be mean to me, alright? Patience? Alright. Did I fuck it up already? Flip it? Do I flip it? I wanna flip it. I wanna flip it so bad. Flip it. Okay. This is the grand... Okay, hold on. I don't know if you guys can smell it, but it smells very buttery in my now. Very buttery. And I like it a lot. Burning. I think it's burning. Is it burning? Tell me? Okay. I think we're good. Okay. Here we go. This is the grand reveal. Wait, it's not... Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Oh. Wait, it's you! It's you! It's you guys! Wait, it got so dark. Wait, hold on. Hold on. What happened? What went wrong? What went wrong? Huh? Would you guys eat it? Would you guys eat this? You would eat this, right? It's Spider-Man? It's not Spider-Man. It's supposed to be you. Huh? No butter and low fire. Okay, I learned from my mistake. Okay, maybe I gotta start off small. Let's start off simpler. Like, make something I can be proud of. Instead, this.
Bruh.
It's a flower. Guys, look. Okay, this isn't looking any better. Wait, hold on. I can salvage it. I can salvage this. Yeah, it's cooking. It's smoking. I mean, it's supposed to smoke. Wait, is it burning? How do you know it's burning? Wait, it's burning? Is it? Oh, lower the heat. Fuck. Okay, I'm lowering down the heat. I'm lowering the heat. Okay, chill. Let's chill. Alright? We're chilling, everybody. Okay? I don't know if I want to flip it yet. Okay, fine. I'll flip it now. Now that I know, like, we don't need to use the butter, right? Make it darker. Come on, cooperate with me. I know you want to. Okay. I mean, where are the outlines? See? It's not dark because I didn't use butter this time around. What am I doing? Fuck. Like, it looks okay on this side. Oh! It's okay. It's okay. It didn't break. It didn't break. We're fine. Okay. This looks really bad, by the way. But trust me, once we flip it, it's gonna look amazing. You're gonna be like, damn, I doubted this dude's skills. Pioneer of pancake art who? What? Picasso? They call me Picasso. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Guys. We're getting there. Now we flip. Right? Now we flip? I think. I followed the reference pretty well, in my opinion. I don't know about you guys, but... Yo, check this out. Let me check it. Dude, that is cute. Okay, you ready? Ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Wait! It's pretty good. Wait, this is pretty good. Bro! Look at that, man. Okay, let me show you. This is the picture that I was trying to use as a reference for the art. I just gotta look for it real quick. Where the hell is it? Where the heck is it? Where are you? It's like the scared one. It's pretty close, right? Pretty close? I think. Looks a little bit. He looks a little happy. Said, you are ugly? Stop! Stop, don't call yourself ugly. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful, darling. Does it feel better? Does that feel better? This is gonna be in your dude, it's not that bad. You guys are silly. It's not that bad. You're overreacting right now. This is pure overreaction. It looks fine. It looks fine. Okay, okay. Dude, I'm looking underneath, and I don't think you guys are ready. You guys aren't ready for this. Hold on. Hold on, I'll do the reveal on the other side. 3, 2, 1.